Every person needs a balanced diet. So, what does a balanced diet contains? It contains carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, dietary fiber, vitamins, minerals, and water. So, this is the balanced diet. Now, in vitamins, we need vitamin C for it is an essential part of collagen protein. We need vitamin D for strong bones and teeth. We need calcium and we need iron. So we know that iron is needed to make hemoglobin. Now, hemoglobin basically attaches itself to oxygen. Now, the causes and effects of vitamin and mineral deficiencies. Now, if we have a vitamin D deficiency, that means we can have rickets. Now, rickets is where the bones become soft and deformed, and the child or a person cannot walk properly. If there is a deficiency of iron, that means a person can have anemia. Now, anemia is where the hemoglobin does not attaches itself properly to the oxygen.